Listen up, let me paint a scene so raw. Mouths burning, flames looking what we saw. Wildfire devastation, hearts heavy with pain. But Galxee Productions ain't here in vain. Friends and clients, we stand by your side. Through the flames and tears, we won't hide our relief and set up, cause we care so deep. Helping you recover from the ashes and leap. Galxee's a force that won't let you fall. Man strong, we answer the call. From the wildfire's grip, we'll break you free. Together we rise like a phoenix, you'll see. Burning skies and charred dreams left behind. But Galxee's here, silver lining we find. Faster, bigger, we fight the blaze. Man in hands lighting up the darkest days. Our clients, our friends, you're not alone. We're the backbone, the shelter you've known. With hearts united, we rebuild the shore. Galxee Productions forever. Galxee's the strength when you're feeling weak. Through the flames and havoc we speak. Relief funds are pledged, support so tight. Together we conquer, igniting the light. Faster beats, speaking fire in our hearts. Galxee's here to mend the shattered parts. We'll rise from the ashes stronger than before. Maui spirit rock nights we restore. From tragedy to triumph, the journey's long. Galxee Productions, we stand so strong. With every rap, every beat we declare. Together we heal, and for each other we care. We're building dreams like a wildfire in reverse. Galxee's a symbol of compassion, diverse. Faster, bigger, our actions convey. For man's rebirth, we pave the way. Galxee's an anthem of hope and might. Through the darkest flames we take flight. Relief on the bridge that will brighter shore. Together we heal, rising once more. So come join hands, let's make a stand. Galxee's here, standing our hand. Through our fight fury we'll pave the way. With hearts united, brighter tomorrows we sway.